Ever wondered how to make a healthy fruit smoothie at home? It's simple, refreshing, and packed with an abundance of nutrients. Imagine a blend of succulent fruits like bananas, watermelons, and papayas, all whipped up into a delightful, creamy concoction. These fruits are not just tasty, but they also offer a wealth of health benefits, from boosting your immune system to promoting better digestion. That's the beauty of fruit smoothies. They're as nutritious as they are delicious. Now let's delve into the step-by-step process of making this healthy, delicious drink. First things first, gather your ingredients. To create this vibrant concoction of health and flavor, you'll need some ripe bananas, fresh watermelon, and ripe papaya. Why these fruits, you might wonder? Well, bananas, known to be high in potassium and vitamin B6, are great for cardiovascular health and can aid in digestion. Watermelons, on the other hand, are hydrating powerhouses that are packed with vitamins A, B6, and C, as well as antioxidants. Now let's not forget about papayas. These tropical delights are not only delicious, but also rich in vitamin C, folate, and other beneficial antioxidants known to reduce inflammation. And to bring all this fruity goodness together, you'll need a liquid base. You could use almond milk for a creamy texture and a dose of healthy fats, or choose coconut water for a lighter, more refreshing twist. Once you've gathered all your ingredients, you're ready to start creating your smoothie. Now, it's time to make your smoothie. First things first, let's start with chopping the fruits. You'll need a ripe banana, a few slices of watermelon, and a chunk of papaya. Remember, the riper your fruits, the sweeter your smoothie. So carefully peel and cut these into small pieces. The smaller the pieces, the easier they'll blend. Once you've chopped all your fruits, it's time to move them into the blender. Start with the banana, as it's the softest and will create a creamy base for your smoothie. Then, add the watermelon and papaya. These fruits not only bring a tropical flair to your drink, but also pack a punch with their high vitamin content. Next, it's time to pour in your liquid base. This could be anything from water to almond milk or even coconut water for an extra tropical touch. The amount you add will depend on how thick or thin you want your smoothie to be. So, pour accordingly. Now, the most important part, blending. This is where your smoothie really comes to life. Secure the lid on your blender and let it whirl. You'll want to blend until your mixture is completely smooth with no chunks in sight. This might take a couple of minutes, so stay patient. The end result is worth the wait. And voila! You have a healthy homemade fruit smoothie. Now the best part, enjoying your smoothie. Nothing beats savoring your homemade smoothie right away. You'll not only experience the freshest, most vibrant taste, but also reap the maximum nutritional benefits. Make it more delightful by pouring it into your favorite glass. Add a twist with a colorful straw. Or perhaps, sip it slowly as you read a good book. Remember, a healthy lifestyle begins with what you feed your body. So enjoy your fruit smoothie and stay healthy.